In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this paper telephone, which many kids will like, and you can carry this anywhere you want, which is starting right now. Hi everyone, this is Sanjay. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to do crafts and drawing, start now by subscribing and clicking on the bell so you don't miss anything. First, you need to take a square paper and fold from this corner to the other. Then open it again and fold from here to here. Now open it and then you have an X mark. So first close one and then lift it up and bend it like this so that you get an X shape. But when you fold it like this, you'll have a triangle. So first do it like this. You should have it like this. Now fold from here to here. Then the same thing on this side. And do this on the other side also. Now fold from here to here. Then the same thing on this side. And you have to do this on the other side also. After you have finished this, you'll see a hole over here. Just take this and put it inside this hole. And do the same thing on all the four sides. This is the second side. Then behind part also you have to do it. And the last one. Now we have finished this one. In the bottom you'll have a hole like this. You have to just blow air in it. After you blow, it will look like this. It will look like a ball shape. So you have to blow in this hole. Now you have to make two of them like this. You have to blow both of them. And then now first keep this aside. Take another A4 sheet and fold from this corner to the other corner. Then open it and fold from here till the crease. Then fold from here to here. And then fold the last part. And then apply glue on the last one and stick it. Now take the ball you had made and then see if it fits inside properly. If it fits, then you just apply glue on this one and then stick it inside that. And before sticking the last one, fold it a little so that it won't be so big, and then cut this part out. Now apply glue and stick it. Now this telephone is ready. You have to blow in these two holes to make this balloon look big. So this is the handle. So now keep this aside. Take two A4 sheets, whichever color you like. Then keep it right behind the other and fold a big part, that is this much. And then on the other side a little less you have to fold. Like this you have to fold. And over here, before you fold it, you have to see that this part of the phone fits over here. So first fold over here this much, and then before folding on the other side, you have to check if the phone fits properly. This you have to fold and then make sure that the phone fits properly. If it does not fit, just fold a little bit more to make it fit exactly. Now you have to just open these and draw a dial on the other side. You can just draw like this and the phone will come on the above part. You can also draw the circle dial which are there in the olden phones. I am drawing this one. Then turn the one paper to the other side and stick this one to this one. Fold it over here, apply glue and stick it. Stick this one on top of the other and do the same thing on the other side also. Now we have sticked it like this. After you do this, or on these corners, just cut it till the crease. Just take a scissor and cut it. And do the same thing on the other side. After you cut, just open these two and close the one on the sides. Just fold it like this. Then you have to close this one. Just close it, and then even the bottom one you have to close and put glue and stick it. Just apply it over here and stick it. Now you'll have an extra part, you can just cut it out. Now before you stick this side, take some waste newspapers or any papers and put it inside so that the stand will stay stiff enough. Just put it like this and then stick it on this side also, just like how you did on the other side. So that's it. Your paper telephone is ready. Kids will like to play with this a lot. They act like dialing to someone and speaking to them. And you can also carry this craft to anywhere you want. So if you want to learn more crafts and drawing like these, start now by subscribing and clicking on the bell so you don't miss anything. And if you enjoyed the video, press the like button and leave a comment on how this craft is. And please share this video to whoever likes to do crafts. Thank you. I'll see you in the next video.